Hi guys, and this is Digna's Adventure again, and I'm going to show you how to clean a stained chair using a vacuum cleaner. A vacuum cleaner that's designated for this kind of thing. So watch out. This is the machine that I'm going to use. So just before we start cleaning this kind of thing, I'm going to put water in here. You're going to remove that and put water in here. So that is how it's going to be. Yeah, there's a hole in there, and then I put this as well. You can still use any. This orange one that is much stronger than this one, but I prefer this. So yeah, let's go. I'm going to install them all, and then let's get going. Yes, we've got 2, 4, 6. We've got 6 in here, and the color is cream. If you're going to see, we've got some stains in there, but we've got a machine that's going to clean it up for you, and this is the one. Yeah, we have that, and we have to use this. So let's go. Before doing the vacuum cleaner, we're going to spray first, and then use the brush, and then the machine. Function in here. If you're going to press this one, it's a water coming. So if we're going to press that back, we're going to suck the water from here. So look, yeah, you can see. That's the water that we just sprayed a while ago. So look, you can have it. It's a vacuum cleaner. And before there's a stain for this chair, and now it's a and I'm done with it. It's all done. It's cleaned. Stains are gone. And I'm just going to put them under the sun to be fully dry before I put them inside, because the sun is very high now in here and it's kind of a little bit warm in here. The sky is very blue and we've got a very nice weather for now. So thank you very much, guys, for the love and support, and I'll see you again. Bye.